कभी कभी मार्क्स कम आते थे और लाइक मैंने लेट चालू किया था।
आपके मतलब जेई प्रिपरेशन में बैकलॉग्स होते तो उसे कैसे कवर करते थे? कोई अगर 9th में कोई बच्चा है या कोई 10th मतलब बोर्ड दे चुका है, उसके बाद वो प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने का सोच रहा है, तो कब से मतलब बहुत सही टाइम क्या है, राइट? सोशल मीडिया मेक सम डिस्ट्रैक्शन।
मतलब if you use it for a longer time, then it is a distraction. If you know how to use it, then it's not a distraction. It's just a way of relief, I guess.
So did you used to read NCERTs? So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have All India rank AIR 7, who is the female topper of JEE Advanced. So congratulations,
Thank you
Dvija
so
Patel,
much.
for getting admission in IIT Bombay. So can you introduce yourself?
Like my name is Dvija Patel and I'm from Rajkot, Gujarat. And as he said, I am like AIR 7 in JEE Advanced 2024.
So like what was your first reaction when you saw your JEE Advanced rank?
Like I was very astonished that I got this rank because nobody expected this rank from me.
And you are the All India female topper, so it's very overwhelming position.
Yeah.
So like, did you thought that you will get this rank?
Like the All India girls topper, maybe because my teachers used to say that, but not about the rank. Like I thought maybe top 100, but not top 10. Definitely not.
Okay. तो मतलब जैसे मार्क्स आपके आए होंगे तो आपने कैलकुलेट किया होगा आंसर के से।
हाँ हाँ।
तो उसके बेसिस पे क्या लग रहा था कि क्या
मतलब
rank
उसके
आएगा?
बेसिस पे लाइक जो लिस्ट आती है ना फाइनल रिजल्ट के पहले एक लिस्ट आती है, तो उसमें आई थिंक आई वाज 11th. फिर देयर वाज अ बोनस क्वेश्चन एंड आई हैडंट अटेम्प्टेड दैट, तो 4 marks increased and I became 7th.
Okay.
Pure luck.
Not luck, it's your hard work.
But that last 11 to 7 is luck.
So like, can you describe how did you prepare and when did you prepare for IIT JEE?
Matlab, I started preparing for JEE in 11th grade only. I hadn't started before that, like no Olympiads or anything.
Okay.
And I was like in Allen Rajkot and I used to prepare.
So like, when did you like thought like you should prepare for IIT JEE?
Matlab,
And who motivated you for this?
like before till 10th grade, I was like I'll go abroad only out of India. But then like my father was like you should do this because like I like maths and science. So he was like you should do this. I was like okay, I'll do it. And so like after 10th, I took admission in Allen.
Okay, so what was your JEE mains rank?
My JEE mains rank was 57 or 58, I don't remember.
ओके, सो लाइक जब आपने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किया था तो आपने क्या जेई मेंस को लेके स्टार्ट किया था सीधे बस जेई एडवांस को?
नहीं, सीधा JEE advance only. Yeah.
तो मतलब कुछ लोग होते हैं पूछते हैं कि भैया कि मतलब हमें जेई मेंस क्यों करनी चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद जेई एडवांस या स्टार्टिंग से ही जेई एडवांस?
Matlab, like I think you should start with JEE advance, and if it is very tough, then move to JEE mains. If you
Okay.
start with JEE mains, then you'll have a goal in mind. I only need to do mains ka concepts and all. So then you won't even try to do advanced. But if you try to do advanced, then mains will be easier for you. So you'll get good marks in mains.
अगर आप IIT JEE की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो 2026 एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए PW ने लॉन्च कर दिए न्यू बैचेस,
जिसमें आपको वरुण जेई एडवांस प्लस जेई अल्टीमेट क्रैश कोर्स 225, अर्जुना जेई 26, अर्जुना जेई 26 हिंदी, लक्ष्य जेई 26, लक्ष्य जेई 26 हिंदी, प्रयास जेई 26, प्रयास जेई 26 हिंदी, ये सब बैचेस आपको मिल जाएंगे। और इसके साथ साथ PDF नोट्स ऑफ ईच क्लासेस विल बी अपलोडेड ऑन द PW डेली प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम विद देयर वीडियो सोल्यूशन इन द क्विज फॉर्मेट. Peer to peer doubt solving will be provided. All India test series will be provided according to the test planner. And you can also use JEE books available on PW store. And books के लिए PW store पे भी चल रहा ऑफर, so you can check out there. और इन सब बैचेस पर और भी डिस्काउंट चाहिए तो you can use my coupon code PKS500 to get an additional rupees off. So what was your daily study routine like during your JEE advanced preparation?
Like my daily study routine was in the morning, I used to wake up at like 7 or something. And then I used to go to classes.
Okay.
And we had classes till like 2:30ish. Depends. And then I'd have lunch and then I'd rest for some time, like 1 hour or something. And then I'll revise whatever was taught in the class and I'll solve the questions which they have given, which the teachers have given. And then I'll do something extra like books or something.
Okay.
They'll give that also as homework only. And then like I'll study probably like 6 to 7 hours every day.
So 6 to 7 hours plus coaching hours.
Yeah, plus coaching hours, yes.
तो लाइक जब आपने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किया था तो क्या आपने सोचा था कि आपको मतलब टॉप AIRs रैंक और IIT बॉम्बे CSE ब्रांच ही जाना है?
नहीं, वैसा तो नहीं सोचा. लाइक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ऐसा सोचा था कि कोई अच्छी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जाना है.
top
लाइक
IIT
गुजरात
में.
की नहीं, पहले गुजरात की बेस्ट
Okay.
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, फिर अच्छे मार्क्स आने लगे लाइक 11th एंड 12th में. तो फिर ऐसा कि टॉप IIT में जाना है बस।
ओके, तो लाइक जैसे बहुत सारे यहाँ पे आपके फ्रेंड्स होंगे जो टॉप एआईआर से वो 5th 7 या 6 7 क्लास से स्टार्ट कर देते हैं प्रिपरेशन 8 से 9 से।
हाँ।
आपने केवल 2 ईयर से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किया है, मतलब दिस इज़ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर JS फ्रेंड्स। लाइक इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दिया बट आपने केवल 2 इयर्स प्रिपरेशन किया और उसमें आपने अचीव किया, तो उसके
मतलब
बारे में कुछ बताइए।
लाइक वही कि सब कुछ पॉसिबल है। अगर तुम्हें करना ही है, अगर तुम्हें यहाँ पे आना ही है तो तुम 2 साल में भी प्रिपेयर करके आ सकते हो।
मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप 5-6 साल
हाँ।
तैयारी कर रहे हो, और कितना ज़्यादा पोटेंशियली आप पढ़ रहे हो उसको
हाँ।
कितना
इफेक्टिवली यस।
सो लाइक प्रॉब्लम्स आपने काफ़ी फेस की होंगी प्रिपरेशन के मतलब दौरान, तो आप वो कुछ
मतलब कभी कभी मार्क्स कम आते थे और लाइक मैंने लेट चालू किया था। जो अर्ली बैचेस होती है वो जनवरी में स्टार्ट हो जाती है
Okay.
और मैंने जून में स्टार्ट किया था।
ओके, तो आपके काफ़ी सारे चैप्टर्स छूट गए होंगे।
हाँ, 2-3 चैप्टर ऐसे रह गए थे और फिर हमें लाइक कुछ जिनके अच्छे मार्क्स आते थे मेरी बैच में, उनको बाहर निकाल के जो जनवरी वाली बैच है उनके साथ मर्ज करना था।
ओके,
तो उसमें फिर बहुत फास्ट हो जाता था और कई चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चन भी नहीं किए, पर फिर लाइक धीमे धीमे बैकअप कवर होता गया और फिर हो गया लाइक कंटिन्यूअस प्रैक्टिस।
आपकी मतलब जेई प्रिपरेशन में बैकलॉग्स होते तो उसे कैसे कवर करते थे?
मतलब वही जब भी फ्री टाइम मिले तो उनको कवर करना है। इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग कि बैकलॉग्स तो रहेंगे, एंड तक रहेंगे, पर वो देखना है कि लाइक अगर आपको वो चैप्टर नहीं आता है और उसमें बैकलॉग्स है तो वो पहले कवर करने हैं। अगर तुम्हें वो चैप्टर आता है और आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो और उसके क्वेश्चंस बन जा रहे हैं तो देन आई थिंक इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट कवर द बैकलॉग।
So how are you feeling now after getting CSE branch at IIT Bombay?
मतलब आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी एंड या ब्लेस्ड।
And you have like so many friends who are the top AIRs
Yeah.
among the India, right?
Yeah.
So like how important do you think the mindset and mental health are during such a competitive?
Like they are very important because like if you start getting less marks and then you go towards depression or something and you don't take it as a motivation to improve yourself, then you won't be able to improve yourself and then like it's a downfall from there.
Yeah.
But if you get less marks and then you get motivated, get no, I want to go there, so I'll practice more and I'll improve myself, then that is a better mindset to have and then you'll reach your goal.
Okay, like if someone is looking for preparation, मतलब उसे कब से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए? आप कोई रोड मैप बता सकते हैं? मतलब कोई अगर 9th में कोई बच्चा है या कोई 10th मतलब बोर्ड दे चुका है उसके बाद वो प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने का सोच रहा है, तो कब से मतलब बहुत सही टाइम क्या है?
मतलब इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर ओन पोटेंशियल कि आपको पता है कि आप 2 साल में कर लेंगे। अगर लाइक आप इतना डिटरमाइंड है तो आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट इन 2 years। पर अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी या ऐसा, तो 9th-10th में डोंट डू इट रिगरसली, पर ऐसे थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस करते रहने चाहिए।
ओके,
मेंटल एबिलिटी के जो आपको लाइक आपका ब्रेन थोड़ा वर्कअप करे।
so did you write like Olympiad and NTNC exams?
I did not write anything before 10th grade. In 11th, I wrote only Maths Olympiad, and then in 12th, I wrote like all other chemistry, physics, and maths.
Okay.
All of it.
So like can you share what was your percentage in 10th board and 12th board?
I don't remember. In 10th, I was in ICSE board,
Okay.
and I had like 98 or something percentage.
It's
And-
really good.
Well, at that time it was Corona time, so
Yeah,
easy
yeah,
papers
yeah.
like MCQ and all. And then in 12th, I was in state board, Gujarat board, and in that I had like 95%.
And so okay, तो आपका डमी स्कूल टाइप था?
हाँ, definitely.
So can you share what books you have like followed during your preparation for physics, chemistry and maths?
Like for physics, we did H.C. Verma. Like that is like base. I think everybody does that because it helps in clearing your concepts. And the other book that we did was Irodo. But
Okay.
in that we did not do all questions. We only did like selected questions which were relevant to JEE Advanced. And in maths we used to do Vikas Gupta, like the black book. Then we used to do Samir Bansal for calculus, and sometimes we used to do other questions from other like yellow books. I think you might have heard from Vikas Gupta only. Those books like some geometric questions or something. And for chemistry, organic chemistry, we did Himanshu Pandey and MS Chauhan. Like not all chapters from both books, but a few chapters from one book, few chapters from the other, because both like our sirs used to tell us that in this book this chapter is better, this is better. That's it. And for inorganic chemistry, we did VK Jaswal, and for physical chemistry, we did Neeraj Kumar.
Okay. So like when one should follow these books, like if someone is doing coaching, so first he should follow the coaching material. After that, he should jump to the books.
Yeah.
Like what do you think when one should go for books?
Like as you said, okay, first complete your coaching material because it will have a variety of questions, easy, difficult, and like the level will keep on increasing, so it will help you with understanding. Some of these books directly have like very difficult questions, so if you start doing them, suppose you take Herodotus, and if you do that, then it has very difficult questions, and then you'll be like, I can't solve questions and stuff like that. But so that's why you should first complete Allen module. Allen मतलब whatever coaching you have उसका module.
So like coaching में आप जो कर रहे हो तो बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं डिफरेंट कोचिंग मटेरियल फॉलो करते हैं, तो हमें मतलब एक कोचिंग पे स्टिक करना चाहिए और उसी पे बिलीव करना चाहिए कि जो कंटेंट हमें कोचिंग दे रहा है वो मतलब 100% अच्छा है. मतलब आपने सिर्फ एलन का ही फॉलो किया था या किसी और कोचिंग?
Like मैंने सिर्फ एलन का ही किया था. एंडिंग में like मेरा फ्रेंड था, उसके पास सब like बहुत सारे पेपर्स होते थे तो वो हम करते थे, या एलन ही ज़्यादा पेपर्स देते थे, तो आई थिंक वो दूसरे कोचिंग के हो गए, आई डोंट नो. पर वैसे एंडिंग में ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस करने थे, टाइम था, इसलिए तब हम पूरे सारे कोचिंग का देख लेते थे. उसके पहले तो सिर्फ एलन ही किया था.
एंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दीज मॉक टेस्ट एंड PYQs is?
Mock tests and PYQs are very important. Like before mains, we solved PYQs only mostly. Till 2022, we solved all the PYQs, and then 2023's papers we gave as proper papers. And then we used to compare our scores. Okay, what rank would we get if we had given it in 2023? And as you said, mock papers also you should not miss them because they give you an idea how the real paper is going to be. And they'll help you in time management. Otherwise, if you're solving questions at home, then sometimes you lose track of time and then you don't know how much time you've spent on one question.
So like, did you analyze during your test, like if any question you missed it, like you were not able to answer, then did you use to analyze your mistakes?
That is very important. Test analysis is very important. Like after every test, you need to see where you lost marks and why did a particular question not happen, and like was there a conceptual mistake or a silly mistake?
So then next time you can improve your
mistakes.
We
can improve it.
So how did you manage distraction like social media or any peer pressure during your preparation?
Like I did not have my own phone during 11-12.
Okay.
Yeah, so there was no distraction as such. I used my mother's phone for WhatsApp, like general communication and all. Otherwise, yeah, there was nothing else.
So if you are preparing for JEE and you are using social media, then you should stop now. Right? Social media makes some distraction.
Well, it's if you use it for a longer time, then it is a distraction. If you know how to use it, then it's not a distraction. It's just a way of relief, I guess.
Okay. तो मतलब आप क्या दिन भर सिर्फ पढ़ते ही रहते थे, उसके अलावा कुछ मतलब गेम्स वगैरह कुछ खेलते थे?
मतलब not games, but I used to spend a lot of time with my family downstairs with my mom. I'll talk with her or I'll watch TV वैसे. So, like not studying whole day. I can't do that.
तो आप हॉस्टल में रहते थे या
नहीं
घर से ही जाते थे? तो मतलब ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आपको घर का भी सपोर्ट मिला और फैमिली में आपको कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना.
हाँ.
तो मतलब JEE एस्पिरेंट्स को आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे, मतलब कैसे प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए?
मतलब वही कि be determined to reach your goal and keep on practicing, and hard work will get you where you want to be.
And who was your biggest supporter and motivator?
Like my family and my friends and all the teachers at Allen, all of them were equally supportive and they helped me a lot.
Okay. And what do you think if someone is doing coaching online? So can he crack like AIR under 100 if someone is doing online coaching?
It depends on the person and the coaching also, I guess. Like mostly online, I cannot study online. So any course I'll take online, I won't be able to study properly. So it depends on the person. That's all.
It depends on person to person and how determined.
How determined they are to reach their goal. Yes.
So what was your revision strategy in the final few weeks before that?
Like final few weeks, I used to give papers only.
Okay.
And then like 1 week before the exam, I started revising everything, like going through short notes or going through the original notes if you don't have short notes, like just flipping through pages and seeing what you don't remember and seeing your mistakes, remembering them. I don't have to make these mistakes in the exam.
Like when syllabus is about to complete, then the syllabus is huge.
Yeah.
Then you have to manage how you are revising your syllabus and how you are making short notes or not.
Yeah.
And how did you
after our syllabus got over, it got over in like October or something. Then in one, like we had a whole timetable given to us.
Okay.
So we followed that timetable and revised all of the topics, all of the subjects. Then we used to give papers and analyze our mistakes and see which is the weak topic. So we'll keep on revising that so that it becomes stronger. And then at the end, as I said, 1 week before the exam, I just revised everything, like flipping through pages if you know the topic or reading it properly.
तो कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आप ये मतलब गिव अप कर दिया कि अब नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से, ऐसा कभी कुछ?
मतलब स्टार्टिंग में जब हमें शिफ्ट करना था दूसरी बैच में, that time that happened because they used to give us a lot of work and we had classes also, like many classes. And then बीच में starting में when I got shifted,
Yeah.
so everybody else in my batch was better than me, like way better than me. So just as soon as the sir will give us a question, then they'll directly give the answer.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's anxiety and stuff like that. But then that time I was like, I want to go to a lower batch and everything. But then like my parents were like, you stay, you see once. So I stayed and then.
So your consistency and punctuality lead to this
Yeah,
AIR
yeah.
7. So what are your future plans and how do you see your JEE success contributing?
Matlab, I've not thought so long, but I'll do something. Like I'm at a good place right now, and whatever life gives me, I'll take it.
Like you have like completed your first semester at IIT Bombay.
Yeah.
So can you share some experience?
The
Like if someone is preparing for IIT JEE and
Yeah.
if he will come after 6 months here, so what he should think?
like here also you'll need to study to
Yeah.
get good marks in exam because there's relative grading. Everybody will be studying. You'll also have to study. But then you'll also get to enjoy your life. There won't be as much stress as JEE and all. So like life will be way better, I guess.
And here you will get to chance to meet top AIR.
Yeah, you'll get
And
to
the atmosphere is very vibrant.
yeah.
So can you share a few problem solving technique that you used to tackle or difficult during your tricky question?
Matlab, problem solving techniques, so I think your teachers will teach you. I don't remember
Okay,
many.
okay.
Like it depends on the topic. Where if you'll figure out new techniques on your own as you solve problems. But like for paper, I used to look. I'll first complete all the easy questions,
Okay.
and then I'll go to the more difficult ones. Like pehle, if you know that this question is going to take time, or you know you won't be able to directly solve it, then leave it in the first try. Then go again to that question.
So what was your like pattern during solving in exam?
Sequence, yeah.
Sequence.
Like in mains, I used to solve physics, chemistry, maths, and then in advanced it was physics, maths, chemistry. But like it depends on you. You need to, as you keep on giving more and more papers, you'll figure out what suits you.
So did you used to read NCRTs?
Yeah, NCERT, that is one point. NCERTs are very important, especially for chemistry. Like maths, physics, not so important, but chemistry, you need to read the
Because
NCERTs.
some question comes
Directly, yeah.
directly.
Like in mains, they'll refer to NCERT only for whatever answer they want to give. And one more thing, for salt analysis, lab manual is also important.
Yeah.
Chemistry's lab manual.
So one piece of advice do you want to give future JEE students?
Well, of that, what I said, keep on working hard and don't give up. Always think about the nice future you'll have. You'll have a nice future anyways, if IIT or not IIT, but like IIT is good.
Okay. So all the best and congratulations.
Thank you so much.